Babies are having lunch. Yes, Mama's about to refill that pool too. And guess what, guys? We no longer have to wait to let the birds out. So they get to go out much earlier in the morning now. Because we're not in city limits anymore, guys. We're outside of city limits. We're technically just living out in the country. No, not technically. Literally living out in the country. I mean, yo, look at this. Country life. Y'all hear the sheep? That's right. We got farmers around us, and that's it. And there ain't no farmer gonna be complaining about animals making noises. Right, babies?